Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to do a slightly more tricky algebraic expression question where we really need to understand our rules. So they've said to us, solve for x without using a calculator and show the calculation steps as always. Right, so let's start off at the very beginning. Our job is to try and get this x on the top and by itself. Right, so the very first thing we need to try and get rid of is the square root. So let's get rid of that square root. What would we do? We would square both sides. So if we square the left-hand side, the square root would go away and we'd be left with 1 over the square root of x equals, and we have to square the other side, 9. Right, now what would we do? Well, what I would do is I would need to try and get this square root of x onto the top. And a very quick and easy way to do that would be to multiply both sides by the square root of x. So let's multiply both sides. We know that those two cancel out and we're left with 1 equals 9 times the square root of x. Now in order to get that x by itself, the first thing we would need to do is get rid of the 9. So we divide both sides by 9 and that gives us 1 over 9 equals the square root of x. Now in order to make that square root of x just an ordinary x, we would square both sides. So we square both sides, and that's going to give us 1 over 81 is equal to x. Nice and easy. Do you see how we've gone step by step using the rules of equations, and we've made something that looked really tricky turn out to be something really manageable? Well done. Massive thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to the question that you're looking to solve, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.